RDC Jirpo Laso Kapathu Kacapati Kolom So Pilongte Lasi Aturan Niam Blok Mencoropat Piklo Lasi Ladies and all players Jobingar 11 and Kargilong Artist 11. First of all, I would like to welcome artist, famous singer in Northeast, not only Northeast, especially Assam and India. All participants, all sports lovers, my dear friends and ladies and gentlemen, print media and electronic media, for the first time, history, sports event, friendly one-day match, Jobingar 11 and Karbi Anglong Artist 11 one-day football championship friendly match. So, lastly, I wish Happy New Year and Advent Christmas and advance Happy Ronkel. Conclude my speech. Last request, all sports lovers, unitedly, we want to establish sports culture in Karbi Anglong. Thank you to all. And I also declare inaugurate football one-day friendly match championship, Jobingar 11 and Karbi Anglong Artist 11. Thank you to all.
ফুটবলৰ মাজেৰে আমি সম্প্ৰীতি মৰম সংস্কৃতি আৰু অসমক উঠাই লৈ যোৱাৰ এটা উদ্দেশ্য নাজানো দে 3 বছৰ খেলা নাই 3 বছৰ পিছত চাওঁ চেষ্টা কৰিম
জুবিনদা বেলেগ এটা প্ৰসংগ হতো জুবিনদা